Hi friends, so last time we learnt about cloning, and we got to know that it is not the best practice to use cloning. So let's look at a small topic called copy constructor. So if you want to create the same duplicate of object, so instead of cloning we can make use of the something called the copy constructor. So let's declare the copy constructor. So this constructor takes in a person class itself. So we have a person constructor which takes the name and age, but this one takes in a person object as the input. So here you pass the object which you want to create the duplicate of. So over here, so this dot name is equal to p dot get name. Okay, next this dot age is equal to p dot get age. So here we are using this to refer to these both. So constructor, with this constructor you're assigning values, you're creating a new object, right? And you're creating a new object, you're constructing a new object, and you're giving values to this one. So in order to refer to these both values, we use the term this. Even if you eliminate, you don't use this also, it's okay, but just to keep things clear, this means we are referring to these states. So we are passing the object which we want to create. So for example, if we want to create person1 object, so we'll pass person1 here, and while creating the new object, person1's attributes will get assigned to the new object. So that's why we use this. Even if you don't use this also, it's okay. Anyways, I will use this one. So we have created the copy constructor. So now let's create one object. Person p1 is equal to new person, just call it abc, comma 4. Okay, next person, for person p2, so we need to create a duplicate of person p1. So what we do is we call the copy constructor person p1. That's it. So let's check out this out. We see the value of so this one and this one has to be the same. Values of p1 and p2 has to be the same. So it will be abc4 abc4. So after that one, let's check out if p1 is equal to p2 plus p1 is equal to p2. Next p1 dot equals of p2 plus so this one should return false because p1 and p2 are two different objects. Constructor is getting called, p1 and p2 are two different objects. Here this one will return true. This one will return true. Why? Because we have overridden the equals method. So it will check for all if all the values are true, abc, if the values are abc and age4 for both the objects, it will return true. So let's run this. So yeah, So we'll get ABC age 4. So P1 and P2 is false and P1 equals P2 is true. So this is called the copy constructor. So that's it. Thank you for watching.